Welcome back, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about everyone's favorite protein, collagen. We're breaking down 5 natural ways to fire up your collagen production and keep your skin shining bright. We all crave that youthful glow, but as time goes on, our collagen production takes a hit, leading to fine lines, stiffness, and a loss of that vibrant skin elasticity. The good news? There are tons of natural ways to boost your collagen levels without splurging on expensive creams. So if you're ready to ditch the pricey products and unlock the secrets to naturally youthful, glowing skin, stick around. Let's dive in and supercharge your collagen production. Alright, glow-getters, let's kick things off with a kitchen twist. Imagine infusing your meals with the power of garlic. Now, before you run for the hills because of the smell, hear me out. Garlic might not make your breath smell great, although your vampire friends might disagree, but it's absolutely fantastic for your skin. Garlic is packed with sulfur, which is a key ingredient in collagen production. It's like the glue that holds everything together, keeping your skin firm and elastic. So, add some garlic to your meals and watch your collagen levels rise. Just maybe keep some mints handy for afterwards. You know, for the sake of your social life. And if you really can't stand the taste, garlic supplements work too. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow for more skincare tips. Next up, we're getting down and dirty with some dry brushing. This ancient practice has been around for centuries and is making a big comeback in the wellness world. It's a simple yet powerful technique that anyone can try. Now, before you picture yourself grooming your dog with a giant brush, hear me out. Dry brushing isn't just for pets. It's a fantastic way to take care of your own skin. It's like a secret weapon for your skincare routine. This is like giving your body a good scrub down before you hop in the shower, but with a brush specifically designed for this. It's a simple yet effective technique that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. It might sound crazy, but trust me, your skin will love it. The benefits are numerous, from smoother skin to a more radiant complexion. You'll notice the change almost immediately. Think of it like this. Dry brushing is like giving your skin a good exfoliation, sloughing off all those dead skin cells and making way for fresh, radiant skin to shine through. It's like a mini spa treatment you can do at home, without the hefty price tag. Plus, it helps boost circulation, which means more nutrients and oxygen are reaching your skin cells, leading to, you guessed it, more collagen production. This not only helps with skin elasticity, but also gives you that youthful glow we all crave. So, grab a dry brush and give it a try. Your skin will thank you, and you'll feel rejuvenated. Time for a snack break, my fellow glow-getters. And no, I'm not talking about chips or chocolate. We're going for the good stuff. Kiwis. These little green wonders are not just delicious, but also packed with vitamin C, which is basically like the Beyoncé of collagen production. It's essential. So, munch on some kiwis and let your skin glow from the inside out. Kiwis are more than just a snack. They're a superhero in disguise. This fruit is not only rich in vitamin C, but it also has antioxidants that help protect your skin from those nasty free radicals. Think of it as your skin's personal bodyguard, protecting your glow all day long. You can slice them up, add them to your smoothies, or just eat them whole like the glorious fruit they are. Bonus points if you make funny faces while eating them. Laughter is good for the soul, and the soul is good for the glow. So what are you waiting for? Grab a kiwi, snack your way to radiant skin, and don't forget to share the love with your friends. Take a deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest, and bringing in fresh energy and vitality. And out. Let go of all the tension, stress, and worries. Feel more relaxed already? You should be. Good, because we're about to get our zen on with some breathing exercises. These aren't just any exercises. They're designed to help you find peace and balance in your life. I know. It might seem too simple, almost too good to be true, but trust me on this one. The power of breath is truly transformative and life-changing. Breathing exercises are like the secret weapon for collagen production. They work wonders for your skin and overall well-being. Why? Because stress is the enemy of youthful skin, my friends. It accelerates aging and depletes your skin's natural glow. It's like a big bad wrinkle monster that sucks the life out of your collagen levels. But breathing exercises? They're the antidote to this problem. They're like the superhero that swoops in to save the day. They help reduce stress, calm your mind, and rejuvenate your spirit, which in turn helps your body produce more collagen. Imagine having that youthful, glowing skin without any expensive treatments or products. Plus, it's a great excuse to take a break and relax. So, next time you feel overwhelmed, just remember to breathe. Your skin and your soul will thank you immensely. Last but not least, let's end with a spa day at home. Imagine transforming your living room into a serene sanctuary filled with peace and tranquility. Because who has time for appointments and pants? Seriously, the best part is you can do this all in your comfiest clothes without any hassle. Grab your favorite essential oils, lavender, rose, whatever tickles your fancy, and let their soothing scents transport you to a place of calm and relaxation. Now, let's give our faces a gentle massage. This isn't just about relaxation, it's about rejuvenation and revitalization. We're talking smooth, upward strokes, people. These movements help to lift and firm the skin, giving it a youthful glow. Imagine you're smoothing out dough for the most perfect, delicious pizza ever. Feel the tension melt away as you knead and relax. Except this pizza is your face, and the toppings are youthfulness. Each stroke is like adding a sprinkle of vitality and energy. Not only will you feel like $1,000,000, because let's be real, spa days are expensive, but you'll also be saving a ton of money in the process. Your skin will be singing your praises with a collagen boost. This natural lift will leave you glowing and radiant. It's like a mini workout for your face, except way more relaxing. No sweat, just pure bliss and tranquility. And the best part? You don't have to change out of your pajamas. Win-win. So, light those candles, play some soothing music, and let the pampering begin. Enjoy your spa day. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy and fun ways to naturally boost your collagen production. We had our spa day, we brushed it out, we ate our fruits, we breathed like Zen masters, and we even conquered the garlic monster. Now go forth and glow like the superstars you are. Try out these tips and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. We love hearing about your glowing skin journeys, so don't be shy. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips on how to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Plus, why not check out our channel? We have plenty of videos to help you achieve healthy, youthful skin. Stay fabulous. See you next time.